Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to become agency partners here on Semrush. Let's begin. Becoming a Semrush agency partner allows your agency to leverage the Semrush tools, gain visibility in their agency directory, and of course, attract more clients. Now, one of the easiest way for you to be able to be part of the Semrush agency partnership is to meet their pre-requirements. Number one option is you need to be an active SEMrush user, typically on a business plan or higher. So once you are on the Semrush website, I want you to click the sign up button. If you haven't already, for example, if you have an account here, just click the login button. All right, log in with your credentials, or if you haven't, again, just click the sign up button, create your account here. Again, once you have logged in, you need to be on a business plan or higher. Right now, I am using their free trial, so if you wanted to utilize Semrush, become their agency partner, you have to click the upgrade button. This will forward you to this page right here. All right. You will be given 7 days free trial. From there, you might want to decide if you wanted to push being an agency partner for Semrush. And from here, these are going to be the amount that you're going to pay. For example, in my case, all right, that's going to be $139 per month. All right. First charge date is going to be December 13, 2024. And all prices are set in US dollars and including tax. All right, so just click try it now and just follow the on-screen instructions. After doing so, after upgrading to the business plan or higher, now a certified agency must obtain Semrush certifications via the Semrush Academy to demonstrate your expertise. All right, so just go to the website for Semrush Academy, and these are going to be the options. You can check the courses, SEO, content marketing, Semrush tools, career, advertising, and a lot more. Lessons, resources, webinars for education, certification, and a lot more. If you click the start learning, you will be forwarded here. All right. And all you have to do is just follow along. All right. You can enrich your marketing skills with the help of best in class. Right. Of course, your agency focus should have the offered services such as SEO, PPC, content marketing, or even digital strategy. So you might make sure that you are here to get the niche that you wanted. After enrolling in becoming an expert here in these courses, the next thing that you need to do is enroll in the agency partner program. Okay, so you have to visit the Semrush agency partners page right here. You see, there's a lot here. You can browse the agencies, digital agencies, coming from different countries, from Australia, Canada, France, a lot more. So these are the agencies that have been partners with Semrush. And if you want to be one of them, for example, if you're located in United States or United Kingdom or on these countries, you will be part of here if you make sure that you follow all of the instructions, all right? Now, for advertising, you see there's a lot. For advertising, content marketing, so they are separated by departments or niche. For email marketing, lead generation, local SEO, market research, PPC, social media marketing, SEO, UX design, and web development. The idea is that, again, remember the courses. You want to make sure your agency focused on this niche to be part of the division. All right, so because you can't be very good in every department, so you want to make sure you have an area of focus or the master of one skill. For example, you want to click the browse agencies from here. All right, so these are going to be top 1,617 agencies. Number one is AlgoRank, GComps, and if you wanted to be here at the top of the professional digital marketing companies worldwide, you want to make sure you start now. Again, create an account. Obviously, look for the business plan. And once there, get some Semrush certifications via the Semrush Academy to demonstrate your expertise. I also suggest your organization should offer services such as PPC, SEO, content marketing, and again here, digital strategy as being part of the digital agencies, all right? If you click the for agencies right here, you would be, since I am already logged in, you can expand your brand reach and get inbound leads for your digital agency. You can set up your agency profile and get matched with the business owners and executives looking to hire expert help from their marketing projects. So this is very, very important. All right. Now, I want you to click on this get listed now. You can try it for 14 days for free, absolutely at no cost. But again, remember, this time you are required to avail the agency partners listing for 14 days free trial. All right. Remember earlier, if you upgrade to the higher plan or business plan, it requires 7 days. Now, the agency partners listing is 14 days free trial. You can leverage those 7 days and 14 days free trial to enroll to the academy, learn courses, and a lot more. Again, you can always cancel before the due date if you feel that you are not progressing with your goals and objectives. But of course, if you are really decided to push through and become an agency partner for Semrush, you might want to opt for this one. All right, so the first charge is $90 compared to the $135, I believe, earlier. Just click the try it now. All right, now going back again to the agency partners, you might want to click this button right here that says fill out a project brief. All right, you can find the perfect digital marketing partner for your next project, agencies, freelancers, and many more. All right, just click on this button right here. You would be forwarded now in this section. All right, so I want you to type in the advertising. For example, is it going to be PPC, Amazon? It's up to you, depending on your niche. Select the industry expertise or your niche. Is it going to be agriculture, project? All right, so it's up to you. For example, B2B services. Project title, for example, this. You can put in the project description like this. All right. Now, on the budget and timing, you might want to click the estimated budget that you have per project. For example, this. Is it going to be less than 1 month? Location and language. And if you don't want the location, doesn't matter. Click the get the contact info. All right. You would be forwarded to the application process for optimizing your agency profile. Again, you can always use the Semrush agency partner badge on your website, social media, and marketing materials. This will highlight your partnership to build credibility with potential clients. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next video.